Why your TikTok shop sample requests are low. If you're running a TikTok shop outreach and you're barely getting sample requests or creator replies, this video is for you. Normally, a healthy sample request or outreach response rate sits somewhere between 1% and 10%. Anything above 4% is generally considered strong, and if your rate is lower than that, it's almost never random. It's usually caused by a small number of structural issues. In this video, I want to walk through the most common reasons sample requests stay low and explain exactly how to diagnose and fix each one. Let's get started. So what low sample requests actually mean? Before jumping into fixes, it is important to understand what a low sample request rate is signaling. It does not automatically mean your product is bad. It usually means one of the three things is broken: access, trust, or incentive. Everything we cover in this video fits into one of those buckets: creator outreach limits and GMV requirements. One of the most overlooked reasons sample requests stay low is simple access. TikTok Shop limits creator outreach based on your affiliate GMV over the last 30 days. If your GMV is too low, you either cannot message creators at all or you're capped at a very limited number of outreach attempts. If your account has zero affiliate GMV, you cannot message or invite unconnected creators. This is a platform level restriction. To check your current outreach limit, go to Seller Center, click Affiliate, select Target Collaborations, then click Check Rules. This tells you exactly how many creators you're allowed to contact, breaking the zero GMV barrier. To unlock creator messaging, your store needs more than $1 in affiliate GMV. This is not about revenue, it's about unlocking permissions. You can do this by placing a test order through an existing affiliate video. Once affiliate GMV is recorded, it typically becomes effective for outreach limits on Sunday. Until this step is completed, no amount of optimization elsewhere will matter. Low outreach caps and why they slow everything. Even after breaking the zero GMV threshold, many stores still struggle because of a low outreach cap. If your daily or weekly cap is small, you may hit the limit before reaching enough creators to generate momentum. Outreach caps are determined primarily by the affiliate GMV performance and account history. They increase over time, but not instantly. How to scale despite low outreach caps? When TikTok Shop limits you, the solution is not to stop outreach. It is to diversify channels. Using email outreach allows you to reach creators without TikTok messaging limits, contacting creators who ignore in-app messaging, and continue scaling while your GMV grows. This keeps creator acquisition moving forward instead of waiting for caps to increase. Product trust signals from a creator perspective. Many sellers evaluate trust only from a consumer point of view. Creators evaluate it differently. When a product has no review or sales history, creators struggle to believe it will generate profit for them. Low sample requests often reflects this hesitation. Trust signals for creators include visible reviews, evidence of sales, and a listing that looks aligned with current TikTok trends. How to build trust quickly. There are a few ways to accelerate trust without waiting months. You can use creator test orders, sync reviews from your DTC store, and audit your listing images against top competitors. If your listing visually looks behind the market, creators assume performance will also be behind. Why generic messaging fail? Another major issue is messaging. Generic outreach messages blend into the noise, especially messages that start with phrases like "we admire your work" or "creators receive dozens of messages like this every day." And if the first line does not communicate value immediately, it gets ignored. What are strong outreach messages and how to lead with them? Effective outreach messages lead with incentive. Examples include high commission rates, estimated earnings per sale, strong daily sales volume, or proof of performance on other platforms. This information appears on a preview and determines whether the creator wants to open the message. Leading with value increases response rates dramatically. Creators constantly compare opportunities. They look at commission percentages, estimated earnings, effort required to promote, and how similar products are performing. If your commission is lower than the competitors in the same category, your outreach will struggle, regardless of product quality. How to adjust commissions strategically. If you cannot support a high commission long term, there are still options. You can offer temporary commission increases, run limited time incentives, add bonuses or contests. Most importantly, commission details should be visible immediately in outreach previews. A competitive commission signals confidence and reduces creator risk. Low sample requests are often caused by reaching the wrong creators. Broad category filters may technically match your product, but fail to match how the product should be promoted. This leads to low interest and low response rates. Instead of relying only on categories, build creator personas. Signals to consider include keywords and captions, visual content style, spoken keywords detected through audio. For example, a skincare product aligns better with creators posting routines and self-care content than general beauty creators. This increases relevance and response probability. Another effective strategy is identifying creators already driving sales for similar products. By reviewing competitor creator lists and adjacent product categories, you find creators whose audiences are already primed for your offer. This dramatically improves both sample requests and eventually conversions. Many early sellers focus only on large creators or creators creators with high recent GMV. This slows momentum. The early stage, your goal is not maximum conversion, it is content volume and visibility. Early content builds social proof and attracts higher performing creators later on. To build momentum faster, lower your last 30-day GMV filters. Focus on creators with high posting rates. Consistent posting behavior matter more than follower count early on. Low sample requests are rarely used by a single issue. They're usually the result of platform restrictions, weak trust signals, or misaligned incentives. Once these are fixed, response rates improve naturally. Approach creator outreach systematically rather than emotionally is what separates struggling shops from scalable ones. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more videos on creator commerce, and we'll see you at the next one.